Earth is supposedly moving at 1 to 41 miles per hour at the equator, and yet every image is pin-sharp, continents crisp, cloud edges clean, not a single pixel of motion blur anywhere. Your garden dog was doing maybe 15 miles per hour. Earth is doing 1041. Someone explain the maths on that. Photography has one unavoidable rule. When a subject moves faster than the camera's shutter speed can freeze it, you get blur. The faster the subject, the faster the shutter needs to be to capture a clean image. Sports photographers use extremely fast shutter speeds to freeze athletes mid-sprint. Wildlife photographers use high-speed settings to capture birds in flight. Earth at 1041 miles per hour, photographed from hundreds of miles above, should require a shutter speed so fast that the exposure time would barely register. At that shutter speed, in the low-light conditions of space, the image should be nearly black, not brightly lit, not detailed, dark and underexposed. But the images are perfectly lit, perfectly sharp, as if nothing is moving at all. And here's the detail that makes professional photographers uncomfortable when they actually think about it. The ISS travels at roughly 17,500 miles per hour in orbit. Earth below is moving at 1041. The relative motion between the two is complex and constantly shifting. Photographing a fast-moving surface from a faster-moving platform produces compounding motion variables that would make clean imaging extraordinarily difficult without very specific technical solutions. Those solutions would need to be documented, peer-reviewed, independently verified. The photography community has never seen that technical documentation released in full. On a flat, stationary plane, none of this is a problem. The surface doesn't move. A camera positioned above it, whether on a balloon, a high-altitude drone, or any elevated platform, photographs a still surface. Still subjects don't blur. Still surfaces don't require compensating shutter technology. Every clear, sharp, well-lit image of the surface from above is exactly what you'd expect from a stationary plane beneath a stationary camera. The image quality matches the model, not the story. High-altitude balloon cameras, launched by private individuals and hobbyist groups, return sharp, clear images of the surface below from the stratosphere. No motion compensation. No specialist shutter technology, because the surface beneath them is not moving in any way that affects the image. The results look identical in quality to what NASA presents as satellite imagery. Same sharpness, same clarity, same lack of blur from a stationary surface every single time.